Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. It's Steve. I just received in the mail the adapters I needed for that $10 mic that I have. I have the $10 mic right here, as you can see, from Five Below. It is in the smartphone vlogging kit, and it's a regular 3.5 millimeter TRS end because you see it has only 2 lines on there. The problem was when I tried to attach it to my iPhone 13, the iPhone 13 has a lightning connector and no audio input. So you need this adapter to connect, and then you can connect it to your phone. The problem is the iPhone 13, and I think all the iPhones, the input needs to be a TRRS connector. So I had to purchase that. And that is this adapter right here. And if you could see closely, and I'll show you on the screen in a second, it has, let's see, 3 black lines. You might not be able to see it that well there, but there are 3. What you need now is your $10 microphone that comes with the vlogging kit. Then you need to attach this to the TRRS adapter, like that. And then you need to attach this to your 3.5 millimeter to lightning connector. And now you have 3 cables connected. And now you could finally attach it into your iPhone 13. If you have an older iPhone and you do have an audio input, then you probably do not need this adapter. But I do. And like I said, it goes right into here, just like that. What I'm going to do, I'm going to shut this camera off, and I'm going to plug this into, well, I have it plugged in. I'm just going to set up the whole vlogging kit, and then I'll let you see how, well, I'll let you hear how it sounds. And then we'll be the judge to see if this $10 vlogging kit connected to just an iPhone is good for beginners. So let's get to it. Okay, I have everything set up. I have my tripod, my camera, the light, which is not on because I want to test it in low light and then show you the difference when I turn the light on, so you see if it's a quality camera. And of course the microphone on top, which you should be able to hear. And I'll just turn around quick, and there you can see. The setup is a little bit crazy, it's a little high, but $10, what could you complain about? It's pretty cheap. Now I am going to turn the light on, and we'll see how well this light works. There we go. So this is on the highest setting, and I have a mirror right there, and I could see it actually is a really good light. That's pretty cool. So, microphone, light, camera, tripod, dongles, and this is what it sounds like for $10. Now, I mentioned a couple of dongles in the first part of this video, and on the next part, I'm going to show you exactly where I purchased them and how much they cost. So you could, I mean, I know you have to buy a couple of extra things, but I believe one dongle is like $6 and the other one is about $9. So if you're saying round that to $20, so $30 for this setup, still pretty good bargain. But yeah, that looks pretty good, I think. So let's get to the next section. Come on. I think it sounded pretty good. And I wanted to show you the links. Here are the dongles that I purchased. Let me just switch screens. As you can see right here on Amazon, I bought this 3.5 millimeter audio adapter, TRS to TRRS. And you can see the adapter has 1, 2, 3 black lines on it. And the TRS cable that is attached to the microphone only has 2 black lines. So this is $6.99, and mine actually came with 2. I thought it was only 1, but it was 2. So you need this, $7 on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. And the other piece that I had is the Apple Lightning to 3.5 millimeter audio cable. Same thing. This has the TRS port here, and then you can't see it, but obviously the other end is the lightning cable like I showed you. And this is only, how much is this? Where's the price? $35. That's kind of crazy. I don't remember if I bought mine from Apple. You could probably find this on Amazon or Best Buy. Actually, let's go check. Might as well since I'm here. Let's check Amazon. And we got 3.5 millimeter to lightning adapter. So this is all you have to really check. And yeah, you can find it on Amazon for 10 bucks. You don't need to buy the Apple branded one. I think I might have that one, but you could purchase this. Well, how did you think it sounded? I think it was pretty good for 10 bucks. You know, get started, do some vlogs, populate some videos on YouTube, save some money and get some better gear. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you liked the video. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let me know what you think in the comments below. Peace, guys.